what I've discovered over the last sort of 10 years or so is that people come off the course with a mind full of ideas and presentations up their sleeve and a little bit about child development. And there's this sense of drowning, actually. There's a sense of a little bit of, oh, it doesn't work, or I was told this, and why doesn't it work immediately? And lots of people then get a little bit disillusioned. And so over the last 15 years or so, I've spent a lot of time going around the world and giving people workshops on different aspects of Montessori pedagogy. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to do some very funny things, and we're going to laugh, and we're going to hopefully come away with some techniques that will help you to start your year.